The morning begins with an unwelcome jolt as the alarm blares, shattering the peace. Annoyance flares as a hand reaches out, silencing the insistent noise. Why so early? I stand before the mirror, toothbrush in hand, lost in contemplation. Do I need a haircut? Maybe later. I muse, my eyes scrutinizing my appearance. I am halfway out the door, ready to start the day. My steps halt abruptly, a wave of frustration washing over me. I can't do anything right, I mutter, realizing my folly. Lost in my thoughts, I mutter to myself, oblivious to the world around me. A neighbor walks by, a silent observer of my internal turmoil. An animated brain graphic glows on screen, pulsating with soft light. Thought bubbles drift around the brain, each filled with fragments of internal dialogue. The words, self-talk, the conversation you have with yourself, appear on the screen. In a studio setting, a psychologist begins to explain the concept of self-talk. The camera zooms in, capturing the psychologist's serious expression. On-screen text identifies the expert, Dr. Name, psychologist. The screen illuminates with the title, Thinking versus Self-Talk. Abstract thoughts flow on one side of the screen, a visual representation of pure, nonverbal ideation. Verbal thoughts materialize on the other side, words forming and dissolving in a constant stream of inner dialogue. A child's world unfolds, narrated by the child, where imagination knows no bounds. Vibrant colors and dynamic scenes paint a portrait of pure, unadulterated creativity. On-screen text illuminates the moment. Early self-talk. The psychologist sits across from the interviewer, explaining Vygotsky's theory with a calm demeanor. Vygotsky. External chatter becomes internal dialogue. The animation studio buzzes with energy as characters on screen shout, "You've got this!" Animated characters on the screen declare, "Let's break this down step by step." The words positive self-talk flash brightly on the screen. On the sports field, an athlete stands poised, ready to compete, their gaze fixed on the horizon. They repeat a silent mantra, a personal instruction echoing in the quiet before the storm. On-screen text appears, instructional self-talk. In the animation studio, the screen displays distant self-talk. "Alex, you've trained for this." The animated character stands tall, repeating, "Alex, you've trained for this." In the warmly lit studio, a psychologist elucidates the virtues of distant self-talk. The screen behind shows a stark contrast. A vast, empty landscape symbolizes emotional distance. Next to it, a cluttered scene embodies emotional closeness. On-screen text declares, "Emotional distance." Within the animation studio, a screen flares to life, vividly portraying an animated character consumed by relentless self-blame. The animated figure relentlessly replays failures, each frame highlighting the destructive nature of negative self-talk. In a brightly lit studio, a psychologist explores the effects of negative self-talk on mental well-being. Behind the psychologist, a screen displays the stark reality, impact on mental health. In a sunlit room, a therapist guides a patient through their thoughts. The therapist calmly reframes negative thoughts. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, appears on the screen. A vivid animation unfolds, illustrating the transformation of negative thoughts into balanced perspectives. Reframing self-talk. In a softly lit room, a psychologist speaks with gentle emphasis, highlighting the profound impact of compassionate self-talk. The camera focuses in, revealing her thoughtful expression. On-screen text appears. Compassionate self-talk. A vibrant animation vividly illustrates the benefits of positive self-talk, improved well-being. In the dim bedroom, moonlight casts a soft glow as I lie still, my mind racing. A faint smile graces my lips as positive memories flood back, bringing a sense of calm. Words materialize on the screen. Be kind to your inner voice. The animated brain graphic reappears, radiating calm and tranquility. On-screen text emerges, delivering a powerful message. Self-talk helps us think, plan, cope, and grow. The screen bursts with energy as individuals conquer challenges, buoyed by their inner voices. Faces light up with determination as challenges turn into triumphs. "You got this," appears on screen, a vibrant reminder of the power within. The host appears on screen, delivering a summary with a warm smile. On-screen text highlights key takeaways. In a brightly lit studio, the host looks directly at the camera, radiating energy and warmth. The host gestures invitingly, as if drawing viewers into a personal and intimate discussion. The host captures the viewer's attention. On-screen text, "What's your inner voice like? Let us know in the comments." An end screen appears, inviting viewers to subscribe for more brain-based insights. A subscribe button and social media links are displayed, encouraging viewers to stay connected.